Aquarius, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of January 2021. We will see what energies are you inviting from the universe in this month, and what can we really see in all the areas of your life. That's one thing. Second, do watch your relationship reading just after this reading, because that will be an elaborated version of whatever glimpse we are going to see about your relationship in these cards. So let's get ahead and see what energies are we getting from the universe for you. Okay, so we are starting with the theme of the month card, and while I'm flipping cards for you, I would like to share my contact numbers so that in case you want to get your personalized reading done with me, you can reach out to me on these numbers. So call me, telegram me, WhatsApp me on 8448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. Visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. First card is quite nice card. You will like it. The message is quite beautiful. Second week is a little tricky, and the best one is the last week. So I'll tell you why, and what exactly makes me say all these things. So the very first card of your January 2021 is inspiration. Look at this inspiration fairy, and it talks about a time which is all about getting inspired by positive habits, getting inspired by positive things, and getting inspired by the positive people around you. So you never know when, where, and in which condition you meet someone, or you interact with something which inspires to take a new leap in your life, or maybe taking a new step in your life. Okay, so keep your eyes, ears open, because you're going to get interacted with a very positive energy of the universe, which is going to keep you inspired throughout the month. Okay, very first week is in continuation to your inspiration fairy, wherein it is telling you to actually uh, be inspired by someone who knows how to keep everything covered which you don't want to come out in light. So a secret could come out in light which you were hiding from someone, or that might leave you a bit upset. That's one part of this card, like that's the one side of the coin. But then second side also says that there was something with very calculated decision, a decision which was thought over a lot of time, and that's when the decision was taken. And that decision is something which is making you a very wiser person. So with that decision, you're becoming a mature person in life, and by thinking a lot about these aspects, thinking about all these scenarios right now in life, you can actually, if I actually elaborate this card further, I see that there was something which happened in past, and about which you are thinking right now. So maybe there's some past mistakes you made, and you're thinking about them right now, and you're actually thinking that what a kind of fool was I? Why did I really take that decision? So I've invested so much in this, I had invested so much in that particular relationship, or maybe so much in that particular project, but then I knew always it was not worth it, but then still I wasted my effort. So that's something I really see in your cards, Aquarians. But then regretting is something which doesn't really help. It is always important to be active when the things are happening in your life. So take decisions accordingly. But then certainly overthinking is ruling your mind in the first week of January, so that is certainly there. Second week is talking about a lot of medication, Aquarius. So maybe you will go on some medication. You will start taking medicines. You are not getting proper sleeps, for which you will take medical help, or maybe you will start taking medicines for that. There are emotional, I will not say emotional, these quarrels, these disputes are actually communication related disputes. So you might end up getting into a conversation which will not have any kind of a concrete, what should I say, it does not have a concrete conclusion out of it. So in such scenarios, in such conversations, people get into conversation and they don't know why are they really talking. No one wants to listen to the other person. So this is why no one wins the conversation, and no one loses, obviously. And I would say, in such scenarios, loss is certainly there, though it's not a win or lose kind of a scenario. But then you need to be away from any kind of unethical relationship also in second week, Aquarians. If you are into that, that is going to invite a lot of family trouble for you. Quarrels, a lot of conflicts, a lot of communication gaps will appear, and you will get into a lot of trouble in the second week if you are into any toxic behavior, toxic relationship. So that's going to invite a lot of negativity in your life. So please be careful on that part. Third week is something which is talking about there was something you were working on, and plan things are going your way also right now, Aquarius, but somehow you're not happy. Either you were always happy struggling, and you always wanted to have something to which you can look towards to, and since these things are getting closed now, you are not happy. So you're not happy because you are going to be, because you're unhappy, and you're unhappy because of the reason that now you don't have anything to work towards, you don't have any motivation in life to get motivated towards. So this was something which is going to be ended very very soon. It is, you were going to get the desired results, and this is why you're not happy. This is very very eccentric, Aquarius. You need to, just manage your activeness, and then that overactive behavior of yours. So please manage, because if the things are going positive direction, stop thinking about things, stop overreacting on things, stop taking them negatively. That's something my suggestion is to you in the third week of January. Fourth week is making you a free energy, free bird, Aquarius. So if you were having any kind of a burden on your head in the month of January, in the initial month of the January, then I think initial week of the January rather. So I think you're going to, put off those burdens out of your shoulders, and there is a movement which is coming your way. So if there was a project you were working on, there was no movement coming your way. It was a job you were into wherein you were not getting out any outcome of that. I see some movement happening by the end of January on that front, and things are changing by end of January in all aspects. If you talk about January as a month, the best part about this month is that first week is making you a better person, an intelligent person, a wiser person, someone who has a lot of wisdom with him. And the last week is making you free out of any kind of a troubles which are happening. It can be a relationship trouble also, which can happen. And I certainly see a movement also happening in your card. So Chariot has come in and telling you that, listen, the movement time has come. Things are going to change very very soon for you, Aquarians. So please enjoy your time, have a wonderful life together with your partner. But then before we close the reading, I would like to share a message with you, which is your relationship message only. And let's take a message from the universe in terms of your relationship area. What exactly? Let me take that card as a message. Just keep it down. Okay. Convince yourself, not others. See, I told you the second week when it was talking about getting into some negativity, getting into some toxic relationship, getting into some toxic behavior. Second week is telling you all that please get out of this behavior, because this is something you don't have to explain to someone else. Like, you don't have to explain to me that I did this wrong because of this reason, and this is why I was wrong. I misbehaved with my partner. No, you have to make yourself understand about it, that yeah, I am wrong, this is the reason I am wrong, and this is what I really want in life. So personal relationship are to be justified to yourself, not to other. That's what your takeaway is in this month, Aquarians. I'm sure your relationship reading is going to be quite interesting here, so let's look into that also very very soon. And the next video will be all about that. So take care, God bless you, and have fun, and be happy, and reach out to me for your personalized reading.